Hey guys, and welcome back to another video in the website development series. For some reason my mouse is not being captured. Well, that's weird. Whatever, today we'll be making lists and tables. And we're not going to be starting from where we left off last time. I'm just going to create something new. Index.html. And HTML:5. Let's get started. And H1 list. So first we're gonna do lists because they're, in my opinion, a lot easier than tables. So there's actually two types of lists. There's an organized list, which has numbers, and an unorganized list, which has dots. So it's two. Unorganized list. And let's type UL. And then we can, as Copilot is suggesting, just put li for every element and it'll show up like this. There's that dot. So yeah, we just made a list and we can make it say anything we want. So that is an unorganized list. So actually it's unordered. I got confused. And as you can imagine, Copilot, I'm trying to make a tutorial right now, so please stop helping me. So now we can just type li again, item 1, again li, item 2, and as you can see, they get numbered. So yeah, lists are pretty simple. So now let's move on to tables. Now we can just use a table tag. It's kind of obvious, but not really. So now we can do tr tag to create a new row. And this is going to be like the header, or I don't know what it's called, but it's something. So now we can type th, and we can type anything like username th, which the next one be display name. Nope. What's that thing? I don't know. And last login. Let's say we're just like making a table like accounts or something. So now we can make a new tr row. And now we're not going to put th, we're going to put td. And SidGames 5. Sid. And 6/9/2022 at 18:59. It's the current time, but whatever. And tr td Lewolf YT. Go sub to him, he's my friend. He doesn't really have a display name. And for the last login, I'll just put the last time he sent a message, 6/9/22 at 18:54. So now this table doesn't look very good. So let's make a new file, table.css, and then here we can put table, font, family, And let's do Arial. Let's do that, okay. Border, collapse with 100%. And now TD, TH, border, 1 pixel, solid, hashtag DDDDD. That's very fun to say. Text align, left, padding 8 pixels. Copilot, please stop it. Okay, then tr:_nth on dash child, even, and background color DDDD, blah blah blah. Okay, so that'll just make it alternate background colors. And now here we can import a CSS, link on CSS, and table.css. And you know what? Let's make it a bit darker. Beep 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 beep. Oops. I meant brighter. You know what? Text, color. Oops, color. BBB. Okay. Actually, let's just do 0. FFFFFF and color 0, 0, 0. Okay, we did it. Oops. I think we can do tr and th child odd. Would that work? And perfect. We made a table. If this helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.